Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, update Google Chrome 70, picture-in-picture new feature is added. Click 3 dots in the right corner. Click Help, About Google Chrome. Click Relaunch. Google Chrome updated to version 70. Click Settings. Click Chrome Backgrounds. Type Chrome // flags. Type picture-in-picture. Select Enabled. Click Relaunch now. Type Surface in search bar. Select Enabled. Click Relaunch now. Right-click, select Picture-in-Picture. Right-click, select Picture-in-Picture. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.